say everything. Aidonia, my son, I'm saying, Adi, me daddy, who are vex, go and vex.
This bad man, you get a box on your jaw next. Brown in matic, angle of chocolate, them are the softest. Damn stain in a blood in farmer man.
How go on me artist, boy, me and telling it.
Aidonia tell me say kingfisher come.
I hear me and say them for no Vybz Kartel, I heard to them, no, Aidonia.
Quality.
You know New York, Staten, Gallatin, you know anything, what happened? Anything?
Kartel. Run Kartel, run the whole thing. Too much negativity and he's a brother when I look out for nobody but himself.
What's going on with the whole Aidonia situation? Is that ever gonna...
Aidonia, he's just broke and he's hungry and he's struggling to trust.
When I say we broke and hungry, yeah. We broke in them girl now. And them kiss them girl, so them girls us. You know how hungry? Where them are yam, we not there.
He's such a drowning man grabbing at that straw. Vybz Kartel won't be that straw.
Kartel will tell the people them saying free that Aidonia, that you have to say.
You also said that you're like a drowning man grabbing at straw.
Me never swim, you know. Me never swim.
He said you're like a drowning man grabbing at straw.
Me never swim.
Me know where you live, Aidonia, and your next door neighbor. I mean the whole of them pussy they afraid of.
It's very funny to see a punk like him really showing words at Vybz Kartel in general, but as I said before, I wouldn't even give him the time of day.
He's a coward that. Kartel, you know the lyrics, you're a singer. Me are the baddest lyricist right now. If you say you're the baddest artist, just defend this. When that interview your job, me I give him 3 days for answer.
Watch out now, what I go on, my viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel. And today right now we have a next classic, a next banger, a next piece of history, you know what I mean? Today we're gonna put the pieces to the puzzle after lifelong feud between two of our most respected dancehall lyricists who ever touch a microphone. You know what I mean? What our musical father and son, what our friend turned foe turned nemesis. What really happened, you know what I mean? Well, I put the pieces to the puzzle. What really caused Vybz Kartel and Aidonia friendship to resulted in a friendship? From parring to warring, from some of the best collaboration to doing subliminal disses and diss songs for each other. Yes man, my people, I get down to the nitty gritty. You know what I mean? A Vybz Kartel and Aidonia, what really happened? Part 1 of a 2-part series, mini documentary, Vybz Kartel versus Aidonia. Yes man, before we kick it off like let up and feel, do me a favor, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click that bell and turn on all post notifications so when we drop fresh new content you will be notified. I know that we got that all out of the way. Cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats you know. You know it's what you know, me there, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know?
Yo, Aidonia. While some little fool busy doing folly, we try stack up guns like Grand Spell, Borderline, Jungle and Tivoli.
What the fuck do them? Adi me daddy?
Alright, how do you feel about the fact that you were the only artist to emerge in 2002?
Well, Mr. Williams, is a very responsible feeling that, you know, knowing that right now Jamaica people really, the attention span of a regular Jamaican right now is towards dancehall music due to its currency. You know what I mean? It's very short. So right now, for knowing that the people really put Vybz Kartel as the hottest new thing on the market. It's a responsible feeling, it's a feeling when.
After getting his big break in 2003, going into 2004, Vybz Kartel was considered to be the hottest new artist out at that time and arguably one of the hottest dancehall artists overall. Riding the wave high off the momentum of his 18-track album up to the time with some smash singles like Bad Man Party, Tattoo, Sweet to the Belly, Senan, Kitty Jar, Why You Doing It, and the fan favorite that gave him his big break, New Millennium featuring Wayne Marshall. In 2004, while in the middle of a lyrical confrontation between himself, Assassin, and also Spragga Benz, Vybz Kartel would then meet Aidonia for the first time, which he was impressed after hearing a couple tracks from Aidonia. Fast forward to early 2005, at that time, Aidonia was one of the big breakout artists of that year, him and also Busy Signal. But by that time, Aidonia had made the transition from Goofy Studios to Scatterburrell's Gangbang production. At that time, Vybz Kartel came by the studio to voice a song called Rise on the Irish dance rhythm, which was the same rhythm that Aidonia had the song Lolly and that was tearing up the streets. And that was when both artists began vibing, connecting, and Vybz Kartel began recruiting Aidonia into the most dominant movement at that time, which was the Alliance.
Flow, style, melody, yeah. So, you see me, it's a new age thing, you see me. We are going right now with the new dancehall then, you see me. A fusion of different types of music, yeah. So, put in a work there for the people feel a way there, you see me. So, we don't expect it on a certain level, you see me, but you have to just wait till your time come, and it's my time right now.
Vybz Kartel himself come at the studio and I see my reason with doing that and him a DJ Aidonia own a song for him. Kartel a DJ Aidonia song to Aidonia to show him how good Dona is, and then Killer them send for him and everybody send for him.
The thing with the Alliance all come about, Kartel are the first man. I link out of the Alliance. My father one of my family grew up, so I know my father, you see me. Kartel are the man that make the thing happen. Kartel come voice for Scatter. Yeah. Kartel know about me a Goofy. Them time the dancehall rap just drop. Bad man not sure word. That tune them up on the Spraggan area. There's a Goofy make the link. Me and them be there a reason. Play a CD, me hear some tune, me I say, yo, you're bad, you know. Then when him go some boom and come voice back for Scatter now. Him say, yo, that you bad for real, cause the jolly tune and, you know. Him say, yeah. So I saw him call him name, call my name in a film song now. On the same jolly rhythm. Irish dance. So from there so now, I just me and him start link, and respect me, I don't know Red Kartel the real and proper way. So we start make some link with him, start go road, him start call me up on show. The real way.
Me a call up the DJ, Aidonia, where you there? Aidonia, don't run to me, but it was the daddy.
One thing with Alliance thing is me, I be energy, be lyrics, be madness. So I just a vibe, they are going all the vibe in that early man, I wait for the boom bang, bang boom. So that's a mad thing, you see, Alliance style, J.O.P.
You know it's hard down there. Set catch in the wheel, you see that. Lift it the whole link. Don't it? So what was? Early boss like a jelly boss, be on a title. Yes, jelly boss. No, not before we jelly boss. That's right, we don't play anything else. Who are you, man? Now watch me talk class and my school fees. We don't know if one of school fees.
At the time now, busy I roll with Killer, yeah. So you see me and Killer never two to link them down the certain way, you know. I can't tell no go and say Killer if you know the youth and she Killer and from this I know, cause I don't know Killer the general for the Alliance, you see me. I him set the Alliance, I him run the Alliance, so he a fair link for in the Alliance. So Kartel set the link, from everything good with Killer, we link up with the tune, and from this it just start work. Big up Marshall, Bling, the whole Alliance, my father, busy everybody, the real and proper way.
We are the ones. We don't need nobody from over there to make it happen right here. Okay? So tell you what, it's a Jamaican affair. So it's all hardcore, yardcore, right here to the floor and to the door.
Now before Aidonia was formally introduced into the Alliance by Vybz Kartel, he and fellow member Busy Signal had their differences a year prior to both of them getting their big break in 2005. Not going into the specific details of this beef, because I already did a video on this, Aidonia versus Busy Signal who really won, so if you haven't seen it as yet, go ahead and check it out. Now for both artists, be under the same umbrella, within the same camp, and without any animosity, both artists had to put their differences aside. So when Vybz Kartel brought Aidonia to Bounty Killer had brought the both artists, Busy Signal and also Aidonia, together to shake hands and put their differences aside.
You see when Killer say, yo, Busy, so do you know, shaking hand. And two of them shake them and see me, hey, what you are going, yes, no, I do this, and still it not work, because what you know, doing that now is a man, you know, who doing that rate?
Kartel.
Okay.
Run it! Bounty Killer, happy birthday! Let me see Alliance Tri-State, Inner State, come on! Bronze Grandspin, DG, Jungle. I want some boy. All who knows that I'm going to come back, I'm see one night here, sir. I'm see one night here, sir. Where's the concert? Bring it to me home. Hey, now, boom. When we shoot, we know miss like John Stark. When we walk by your spark, we left them with infrared, pan your forehead and a religion. The cartel left them. Anyway, a lion. Yo! Yo! Tell them they ain't the real man. They're just some baby. Now time for chat. Gun in our way. You know it's Aidonia. Big up Bounty Killer. Yo, bad man bust the eagle. Boom, run to your corner with people. Well, gun no stick any sick a shot a stick it up. Me no broke some kick a shot a stick it up. Real my guy, Papa fine speaking up boy. Doctor, me come from Gunnefer. Take a grass in back with me Christmas in level. Be a burner boy, more than a level. Boy, Bullet killer yourself for what? So, the war can't talk over the gun and buy out to know that. When we have that buy out, this one or 10 I will know. You know why? Bounty Killer. Yo, a full clip when me run out. She start me use and got the fucking. Them I put some gala killer down out. We go run out. Right. Sound it. I saw the boy them go flip some me. Papa fat at them with the 12 years in out. Shut off them and jump off with the map after the rock off. A gunshot. Sound the big thing then. Basically, I'm saying, yo, killer, upper bird song, sound it. Them jog around it, busy. Destin, watch you. We're not the school, what about you? Destin, sound the big thing. That's how that after me.
Now at this point, Alliance was the most unstoppable force in dancehall. It was a movement that was crushing everything in its path. I mean, they were like the Avengers with an all-star cast. You know what I mean? If you're keeping a show, just book the Alliance, it would be sold out, jam-packed. Almost every member was considered to be a giant or on the way to becoming a giant, with names such as Elephant Man, Vybz Kartel, Wayne Marshall, Bling Dog, Mavado, Selector, Footer Hype, Busy Signal, and newly added member Aidonia, who just had one of the biggest collaboration on the 12-gauge rhythm with the head of the snake, Bounty Killer.
Real and proper. Killer. Dirty. From them this me no want no hoe. Joe, send to me gun them. Switch up me rifle so. Eagle fly down like a janko. From them this me no want no hoe. Yo, send me the gun them no. Switch up the rifle fit slow. Eagle fly down like a janko. This man from down south from a chisel in 12 gauge and marry them brain. All a pint bust some bites to them pain. Take up them face like cabbage in rain. The 12 gauge, we pump the clothes Pablo run from doors like a nose guard.
Now with all of those big names plus big names equal big egos, because with a camp like that, with such a huge fan base and every artist in their own right is considered as somewhat of a leader. And I mean, you have the young guns such as Busy Signal, Aidonia, and also Mavado at the time. Bounty Killer, who was considered to be the biggest name in dancehall, and also Vybz Kartel, who was the hottest name in dancehall. So eventually, it was just like two trains on a collision course. And at the peak of Alliance Ascent is where the bad blood came in, because Vybz Kartel had attended Beenie Man and the Angels' wedding. Beenie Man, who was considered to be a musical nemesis of Bounty Killer, and also they had years worth of rivalry. And the Angel was Bounty Killer's ex. So Beenie Man getting with the Angel was a get back at Bounty Killer. So attending that wedding, Bounty Killer and the rest of the members of the Alliance looked at that as Vybz Kartel being disloyal, because it was Bounty Killer who was the one that introduced him in the music business. And to add insult to injury, Vybz Kartel did a collaboration with the Angel called You Know Your Baby Daddy.
Yeah. You know your baby father. Timely.
I'm giving birth to a life.
Baby.
Now the song with me and Angel, the song them body no, cause you know. If you notice in a Jamaica where the selector them select, you have a certain mode of operandi so the selector them use by drawing quote unquote forward. And that is one of the key one them. Who know them baby father, who never dash your belly. You see me I say, so the concept alone sell off. And Angel are the right person to bring it across, because she have that
she in the limelight due to other things, you see me, surrounding the music. So why not just give her the musical drive then?
And at the time she was pregnant?
Yeah, you see me? So everything does at the right time.
Kartel nor myself didn't even know about it, or didn't even know that it was going to come together like this. But you say music is a spontaneous thing. You and I don't know what will happen. Kartel was at the studio. This song was written way before we actually, knew that we were going to actually put it together as a collaboration, because it wasn't meant to be like that. The song was done like 3 months in my pregnancy. Kartel laid down his track, and then I came to the studio and I just put down my track. That's how it happened. We didn't know it was going to happen, and then we hear all kind of things. I'm giving birth to a life. Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go down. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run with the way so I find a real McCoy. I'm giving birth to a life.
And with that collaboration between the Angel and Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer will look at that move as the ultimate betrayal, and would then say that Vybz Kartel is no longer a member of the alliance. And with that, Aidonia would have to choose between his musical father, Vybz Kartel, and his musical grandfather, Bounty Killer. But Bounty Killer would not like the answer that he got from Aidonia when Aidonia replied with the song, Adi and my daddy who want vex, go and vex.
Adi and my daddy who want vex, go and vex. This bad man, you get a box for your jaw neck.
Now all the pieces began to fall like a domino effect after Aidonia dropped that song. With a couple of bars in the intro, some might say directed at Bounty Killer, when he said, me nah fi wear black fi bad, me nah all white. Because everybody knows so Bounty Killer was the artist that is very popular for wearing the color black. And also in the chorus, when he said, who want vex, go and vex, this bad man you get a box pan your jaw next, browning matic, angler, chocolate. And me make your girlfriend say you can't sex. That specific line, referring to Bounty Killer losing his girlfriend, which was the Angel, to Beenie Man. Because fans were starting to speculate that there was some internal beef going on in the alliance camp, which would soon come to be true, because after Mavada and the alliance kept their party over in Portmore, which Aidonia and also Vybz Kartel came, but all hell broke loose when Aidonia was performing alongside Mavada, and Busy Signal stepped to Aidonia with a ratchet knife.
Yo, what a bomb buckler do someone? Yo, love it. No one have bomb buckler do no. Youth, no one have bomb buckler do no. Youth, no one not do no. What not do? Bomb buckler, I want not do. Yo, bomb. Yo. Youth, I want not do. Youth, no one do. No one have bomb buckler do. What the fuck do no? Yo. Yo, the one on around did it. Relax. Wanna relax, man? Yo. Come back, man. Relax. Relax.
Yo, hold on, son. Yo, watch it. Yo, how some man I did, man, yo? Yo, man, how some man a bomb buckle at this? Yo, Cross, set me up. Yo.
Relax, man, I want to.
Rise up, yo, I want to some man. I want to some pussy. Yo, some man I I want to some more. I want to some man, yo.
Relax, man.
Yo, give me.
Calm down. No boy can't scare killer. I ain't going no blood clot with him. All who want cut.
Yo, look.
Listen me.
Yo.
Man, relax on yourself.
Yo, I want to some man, yo.
Yo, me no want the other man to talk to. One voice. Bounty Killer no blood clot scare now. What am I do?
Mayo.
All the channel the passage and some little boy going in the under blood clot self.
Mayo.
Oh, no, calm down on yourself, round me.
Yo, Mayo.
Hold on and relax on the blood clot.
Yo, me come.
Alliance party this. Any man that say alliance can find the appliance and burn up. Bounty Killer my blood clot name. I miss the people there. I miss them gun and join blood clot lodge. Can't tell a piss and brief them time there.
Report me, say, if you never blood clot deceive me.
Boy, I know some boy was dead. You think a blood clot joke thing? Some pusso. Some boy come mash up this man is dead. You think a joke blood clot thing? Some pussy think a DJ per mic thing. Some boy want to start it and say if man are dead over this bomb buckler. Some boy feel like.
Now after the altercation between Busy Signal and Aidonia would find himself on the outside after being kicked out of the alliance. After receiving a call from someone from the Solid agency informing him that he was no longer a part of the camp and that he will be no longer managed by Solid agency, which was run by Sharon Burke.
Yeah, I'm this now, when I say man to take side and all them three, you see me? One not take my side, you see me? We don't say kill our grandfather and Kartel our father. You see me? I say someone want me say different, say kill my father. And also, I had my father and kill my grandfather. I said, stop Aidonia and stop at the campaign. Step up. If I write 3 songs for the Alliance album, man, I never listen to the rhythm and beer things, so Killer start pre me and say I corona thing and back a thing now. Killer start pre me wicked. I think the Woolman's barbecue come up now. My father run out first and full clip and busy run out. I just say, oh, them I got to, because I don't know, say. If me wait till them come off I show the show I got done this, after the people them get a bomb rush vibe there, they might just feel like say the show end there, so. They say, oh, there, DJ 3 thing and I be here forward now till 12 gauge rhythm go drop now. I go up. I don't know if you start the song, you know, and the rhythm I run, you know. And I wait for Killer to start the song, I look around and walk, I see Killer walk off of the show. I just DJ myself. I make the people them DJ feel part, like a me and them voice it. You know that style. From this now, big pre-men start going there so. Killer start talk about that thing. Got Bembe. I go there, I never know them there, I not hear him. I come a Bembe, I not hear him. More thing again. Then I go find his song here.
Daddy, who want vex, go on vex.
This bad man, you get a box on your jaw next. Brown in matic, angle of chocolate. Them are the softest, them close are the darkest. Have enough gun till I'll gun me, I'll lend way. Banana clip, bend way, Mac 10 day, we 10 day. Yo, with them set up, threat them, I send way. La 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 la. A gunshot we a send way, head crack like marble. Big one, the Bembe, no take the music, fi play drum like Dembe. Fight Aidonia, get they just comprende. Boss Jack, and a true daddy tongue end. Boy, could have big and thick, almost killer. What?
One thing I lead out the alliance, no doubt about that. You know, I'm the ground god, I'm my godfather, as I said. And you just can't go around that. You know, I say it's an icon. It's a youth to help and teach me how to help. And, you know, everybody would around and teach them and everything. He guide me towards this thing. When he sees me take up music seriously, he guide me towards it and show me some guiding line and show me what I want to look out for and what I want to listen to. Yo, this is you. Them are going to say hype. As a boss, them are going to say hype. You, I mean, them are going to tell you the thing, them are going to see them come to pass like you. Them are going to say, you're rich and switch on me. And them something they come to pass like on a daily basis.
The big up my dad's Bounty Killer. 5-star general, the ground god, head of state, head of government. You know, this music. You know what I mean? Because I him say alliance and I him say young artists. That's why I'm over there even there.
Alliance, man. Big them up, man. You see me? You don't know Alliance Kartel forward from. You see it? Empire for life. Yeah. You see me? Straight.
Dear drama this now, you know. Man, I must say this the general. You see me? But I'm going to show someone say, yo, don't play with me. You see me? I feel like I'm afraid of no man. You see me? I'm going like something, no, them can't bully me. Now that them a try. So I have to show them from early said it ain't going to be a bully thing. If it's a war thing, it's a war thing. But I feel like it's not going to be a bully thing like they're going to stay so. I'm not going to say cow down. Cow down what? After a cow ground. Man start. Selector stop playing me now, you know. This run the business. Who run this, I run the business. And you see me, I want to know who run this already. So them I run it. Yeah, my song them start play to a level. Adi song them start play to a level. The certain man song I play. Yeah, man start chat about that thing now about man in alliance and them thing there. You see me, I say, I'm some boy. You see me, I say, I'm a boss me never in alliance, you know. Gangbang me say them time there, you know. And right now in the streets, see me, I gangbang the people. No, people still call me gangbang, you know. Them vex through, daddy, me proud, because a bad man and my dad. See that I glad. Rise up my back for my love, them die bad. Them are not real gangster, them a try bad. You a body man, brother, you smooth try fagger, but once my face like pussy, you a try bad. Kill them more terrible than lies with the eye chat. Me right as credit for from them, this them try rap.
new millennium youth as the future.
Vybz Kartel has always been a full-fledged member of the Alliance in all musical endeavors, but once it creeps over beyond music into the realm of, you know what I mean, dealing with people and real feelings, Vybz Kartel have to take a stand because, as you know, being the man is a good friend and Bounty Killer is a mentor. So Vybz Kartel chose to remain neutral, and for that choice, you know what I mean, Vybz Kartel has been getting a lot of, you know what I mean, flack from the Alliance. So Vybz Kartel has opted to just leave.
Things took a dangerous turn at Alliance member Movada's birthday bash.
Well, I went into the dance and, you know what I mean, I was at top stage and Aidonia was like 10 feet away from me, and a group of artists circled Aidonia with the entourage and told him that Vybz Kartel can't DJ because if me DJ, police are going to kill me and bad man are going to kill me. So I'm like, you know what I mean, this thing is getting really ridiculous. So Vybz Kartel anyway, you know what I mean, being the cartel that I am, I stayed and, you know what I mean, was waiting for my call up, and eventually when Aidonia said, when my daddy there, I heard, like he was saying, I wanna do. I wasn't seeing anything, you know what I mean, to the position that I was in. But I heard that it was a little fracas on stage, you know what I mean, between a certain artist entourage and Aidonia's entourage. Knives were drawn against Aidonia, you know what I mean, so it was members of his entourage that had to come on stage and defend the artist, you know what I mean, and took him to safety.
Kartel says he isn't bashing Bounty, just asserting his independence.
The Bounty Killer is a mentor of Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, over the years, the whole Jamaica know that, so we're always forever grateful and thing, you know what I mean, but you have a time in life where you have to become your own person, you know what I mean, even in real life situations, because if I was to have followed my father back in the day, I wouldn't even have become an artist.
Crossing Killer is the price Kartel's paid for not coming across as
quote-unquote press button. You know, Vybz Kartel is his own big man. I don't know if maybe because I pay my own bills and I got kids of my own and I got house and I got responsibility. Maybe I think that's why I love the thing for myself.
The DJ says he has no problem with lyrical word throwing once it doesn't become personal.
That's why for Vybz Kartel it's surprising to see the Alliance want to really, you know what I mean, shun Vybz Kartel for really being friends with Beenie Man, because musical war is always financially viable for the artists in the war. So I don't know what the problem is about. You know what I mean? When Beenie Man and Bounty Killer and war, they make the most money. You know what I mean? So just keep it musical then.
Me say, me daddy, we grow cause a bad man and my dad. Keep that eye glad, rise up my mouth and my lap bad. You want a real gangster, you want try bad.
Up to very recently, Aidonia says he considered himself an Alliance member.
Well, that's what I thought, you know, until lately I get a call say he's no longer a member of the Alliance. He's a mercy. And if you remember, like for the past month, me and the man will say, yeah man, I'm still in the Alliance, man.
So who you got the call from?
Well, the call come from, I think, a solid agency, you know. You see me? And I say, well, I don't know longer a member of Alliance. You see me? So I say, I them think they are going. You see me? I say, I don't know nothing about that. You see me and a man have no vibe like that.
So you have no idea why you've been kicked out of the Alliance?
Well, maybe because it's a new song, you know. When in December's deadline, you know, mainly all of the things that happen in December, from the Movada birthday mashup, where them say me mash it up, come right up the lines, thing, everything will go on between me and Scatter too, because a whole heap of things go on December, really. You see me I say.
So what are some lines in that song that would have irked or bothered some people?
The lines in the song, Adi and my daddy, I'm a proud because a bad man and my dad. You know, because you know, I have a song like a month ago to saying that Adi and my daddy and that. And the real thing will make this whole heap of vibes a carry, you know, say, Adi say no longer in Alliance, and him a mother have a thing, him and Killer have a thing, and me still in Alliance, and I say, alright then, Adi and my daddy, that a cause a problem. You see me, I say, but the man them know say a free mind, free will. I say, what I want to say, I do what I want to do, it's an individual thing, you know. It's not a group, you know. You see me, I say. So from that now, a few other lines, I say, the man a gangster, you try, but you see me. But I know one man named a gangster. Gangster can mean anybody. You see me, I say. Next line coming to the writer's credit for from them, this, them try rap. That are the song where me and Bounty Killer they do, you know, which VP put out a CD with the song written by Rodney Price when it's Aidonia write the song. So me have to defend what is mine, and that is my royalties, because 30 years from now, and that me have to live off of. You see me? See me like how me and Scatter, the man who bring Aidonia forward to the business, kick off over a contract. My royalty is just as important. Me need it. If me see some wrong thing go on, I go wonder what go on. You see me? At the new millennium, at the new artists, them will know about the business. I protect what is mine. I can't call me down or wrong me to protect what is mine.
Now after Aidonia not being a member of the alliance anymore, and also he and Scatter had a fallout over contract issues, he then doubled down in a track called Deadline, which he addressed everything that was going on behind the scene between the alliance members, and Scatter Burrell.
Me say, Yadi me daddy, me proud cause a bad man a my daddy.
And in this track he would go on to diss Mavado with lines like, them on a real gangster, them a try bad.
No real gangster, you a try bad. You a body man, brother, you so try fuck. I what's my face like pussy, you a tripod.
He would also diss Busy Signal and Scatter Burrell.
Bust me gun, blood run like when gal come past Scatter tongue, head broke like a column. They never call him name but busy dead a sting. The people them say instead of fling.
So gentlemen, that was the end of part 1. Be sure to catch part few. In a few, you know what I mean, we pretty much covered the basics, you know, Aidonia and Vybz Kartel meeting for the first time, to then being a part of the alliance, and then being kicked out of the alliance. You know what I mean, part few now is going to cover, you know, Aidonia and Vybz Kartel feud, you know, these songs and all of that, the whole 9 yard. So stay tuned, keep it locked. Banging, watch you now. No.
No. Rock boys, come on. Watch you now, no. Watch you now. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, yeah. Watch you now, no. See it now, watch you now, yeah.